transform your liver health with powerful dietary changes. Concerned about fatty liver disease? You're not alone. Did you know that 25% of people worldwide have fatty liver disease? Yet most don't even know they have it. Did you know that your liver can repair itself in just weeks with the right dietary changes? This remarkable organ has an incredible ability to heal, but first, you need to know what's helping and what's hurting it. We will explore powerful dietary changes that can transform your liver health in weeks. In this video, we're tackling fatty liver head-on. We'll uncover 3 foods to ditch and 3 to embrace to help reduce liver fat and prevent this condition from escalating into something more serious like fibrosis, scarring, or even cirrhosis. At the top of our list are sugary beverages, particularly sodas and juices. These beverages are packed with empty calories and can inflict serious damage on your liver, potentially leading to fatty liver disease. Many people ask about diet sodas. However, these aren't a good choice either, since they contain artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, which can negatively affect your gut microbiome. Consider soft drinks as liquid toxins. The better alternatives are water, sparkling water, coffee, or tea. Next on our list, deep-fried foods. Remember this, when we choose deep frying, we're choosing harm. Particularly foods cooked in unhealthy oils should be eliminated. If you're craving fried foods, consider using an air fryer. While not ideal, it's a superior alternative to deep frying. When using your air fryer, opt for high smoke point oils like avocado oil, ghee, refined coconut oil, or refined olive oil. The third category is ultra-processed foods. Items including chips, candies, sugary cereals, hot dogs, and instant noodles are heavily processed and harmful to liver health. Consider this. Sugary cereals, which countless children worldwide consume for breakfast, are more akin to serial killers. Instead, choose healthier breakfast alternatives such as oatmeal, eggs, or multigrain breads. Now, let's explore 3 beneficial items to incorporate. First, consider healthy beverages including black coffee, black tea, green tea, and matcha. These drinks are abundant in antioxidants that promote liver health. Limit consumption to 1 to 2 cups daily and avoid sugar, though a small amount of honey is acceptable. If you experience sleep issues, decaffeinated options still provide plenty of liver-friendly antioxidants. Second is turmeric, which contains curcumin, an element with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Try to include half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric in your daily diet. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider first. You can incorporate it into soups, marinades, or evening yogurt. It's a straightforward addition that supports liver health. Third, remember the 3 B's. Incorporate berries, broccoli, and beets into your meals. Berries are packed with antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and liver inflammation. This includes blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, goji berries, acai berries, really any type of berries. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is rich in fiber and contains sulforaphane, which can improve liver detoxification. Cabbage serves as another excellent option. Lastly, beets are renowned for their high content of betalains, which offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. These compounds help enhance blood flow and support liver detoxification processes. So, there you have it. Simple changes to your diet can make a world of difference when it comes to your liver health. Remember to ditch those sugary drinks, deep-fried foods, and ultra-processed items. Taking care of your liver is an investment in your overall health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health tips and advice.